Sugar beets are being rolled in on the Essex-Suffolk border, where Richard Keeble's international TD-8 is working with a 9.1 metre set of folding Needham rolls. The TD-8 is a late example which was supplied new to a Suffolk farm. It was originally yellow and has optional longer 5-roller track frames, providing a bigger footprint and lower ground pressure, ideal for top work. Like the Perkins conversions we've seen, it also sports a 6-cylinder engine, having been repowered when it arrived on the farm about 25 years ago with an international D358 engine taken from a Seddon Atkinson lorry. The fuel pump was reset to 1055 tractor settings so that the 5.9-litre engine provides 100 horsepower. It was also repainted and fitted with a homemade cab. The Needham rolls were made in Suffolk by Staines & Golding. The crawler is particularly ideal for pulling them up and down these sloping fields.